Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we finished this awesome backyard with these awesome James towers. So we're going to take a look. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull the grill off so you can see once again what they look like. And we have our tweets up here, our mid-ranges, and our two subs. If you don't wanna change, so we continue to walk this way just to kind of show you. This is a pretty big area. I do have them at a very low volume. I can still hear them right here pretty well. And as you get closer to them, they do get louder. You know, you're getting closer. But as you get a real close look, now that all these are mounted, you get to see the finish in the sunlight. And we'll have links in the description below for our other videos showing you the unboxing of those. And they are still working on finishing the pool, so we'll come back later and we'll do some more footage and talk more about it later. As far as up here, so they could tie in the audio with their TV audio up here, or tie in the TV audio with the pool. We did a Sonos beam out here for them. And it's on the Sonos Sanus mount that allows us to raise and lower it with a little strap back here so we can slide it up to the bottom of the TV. And once again, like I said, they're still working on a lot of things out here. Still doing a lot of construction to the pool. And we got two over here as well. So if we take a walk over here to the shop, they want to, they have a little area in there they sit and chill out. You want to be able to hear it in there as well. So in here, we have also added a Sonos beam on this TV. So they either have this game on, they can group it without there, vice versa, or have them all playing the same thing. Remember, guys, these systems, you gotta have an amplifier and a place to put it. So this is where we put our amplifiers, is in this rack here. And we still do have a couple more vents that we'll bring out and put in. But we have a DSP-2150, a DSP-2750, and then the same thing. Each smaller amplifier runs the sats and the mids, and then the bigger amplifiers run just the subs. So you have one amplifier for two speakers, really two amplifiers for two speakers, and the other two for the other speakers. And we also did Sonos support, and just to make sure we had good range extending, because this is a metal building. Wi-Fi is not lovely of metal buildings. Went ahead and we mounted an access point out here and hid the wire in the track all the way up into the building. So remember to like and subscribe down below, and you guys have a great choice day.